Namaste everyone, Rohit here from IndieOneUp, and in this video, what you are going to witness is the really cool smartphone camera trick to detect whether G-Sync, FreeSync or VRR, which is basically variable refresh rate, is working correctly or not. You see, the issue is sometimes it's hard to tell if these techs are working as we don't have a display indicator that can tell us what frequency in Hertz is being used by our display, as we can do with our FPS. We can generally tell the smoothness being high or by saying yes, I feel different here and the FreeSync or G-Sync must be on. But what else can we do to measure and to perfectly make sure that the technology is working? This is where banding comes to rescue us. You remember when you use your camera, there is a setting called anti-banding, which eliminates black bars moving in certain vertical direction. We are going to take advantage of it to make a detection technique for this variable refresh rate. Let us first begin with a live example. This will clear your mind a bit about what I am going to talk. And this is one of our common home appliances. Here, the idea is many moving things or rapidly blinking things use a particular frequency, and when that frequency doesn't match with the recording camera, it creates a banding pattern, and that is particularly true in case of light sources. To use this technique, you just need a professional camera app in any of your smartphone which provides you with a shutter control, as the whole idea is going to revolve around the shutter control technique to mismatch the frequency of capturing and the object in question. For example, in my case, I set the shutter speed to 600, which is 5 times of my 120 FPS screen. And now when I play a content where screen is not changing the frequency, the banding pattern remains same. But as soon as I set the frequency to enable that changes, the frequency of the screen dynamically adjusting to the content displayed and hence causing the banding pattern to change, which in turn tells us that FreeSync is working. This method can be used for any kind of adaptive sync technologies. I choose this G-Sync pendulum test demo that has this secondary test too, which is good because it has a gray background and that makes easier to detect the banding patterns. These banding patterns stays the same when both shutter speed and screen frequency stays the same, irrespective of the content displayed. It changes when one of these variable changes. Now, static display do not adjust the screen frequency, as you know, and we are not going to touch the shutter speed, so the banding will remain same. But in the case of variable refresh rate techniques, they changes the screen frequency with respect to content being displayed, and hence the banding pattern changes. So when you see these banding patterns changing themselves, you can be sure that yes, your variable refresh rate or G-Sync or FreeSync is working exactly as intended. That's it for this video. I sincerely hope that you can put this camera technique to a good use and gain something from it. If you like such videos, do share and subscribe to my channel. Also, have a look at my Patreon channel. The link is in the description.